Welcome you guys to Product Focus Friday. We are working with Carta this month and working with tools, and I'm still working with this Carta collection beach party. Still working with it. Last week we played with the sketch pens, and then this week we're playing with the stapler, and I kind of kept my layout from last week nearby because this is going to be a companion page. This page will have the journaling on it for the pictures. So I want to kind of do a similar thing that I did with that one, but kind of reverse it was my thought. So we're going to play with the stapler and put some staples, a staple feature in. So I added staples to that page last week so that they would definitely coordinate. I'm very happy with how that turned out. I don't necessarily want it, but I feel like this red and blue should definitely happen. And kind of opposite from what it was on the other page. So I'm just going to use this page as a guide for the 12 by 12. And I probably should, move all that other stuff off to make it a lot easier for myself. But why would I do that when I could make it hard? Right. Now this should be equal to a 12 by 12. Looks like it. Okay. How much do I have left? Not a lot. Which is good. I'm just going to, we're not even going to save that. We're just going to leave it on there. Okay. Plus some little scraps. All these stickers. All right, I'm gonna map my photos. Got these 3 of my little silly. I'm gonna cut my photos down. And then I just gotta figure out a good spot to journal, and I need to make a journaling spot. So I might have to go dig out some more tags because I don't know if this will work. It might. This is the last one of these stickers I have, which work really, really well. Okay, let's get some stickers out, and we're gonna make little clusters on this before I put it down, and then we'll staple. So I want to do the little fish for sure. And then we want to go staple with the fish. And then we want a little crab. And we want to staple with the little crab. And then I want to put something down here, maybe the little seahorse. Cute, cute, cute. All right, I think I am going to use this as my journaling spot, and we're gonna put it down here, but we're gonna cover some of it up because I don't necessarily like these things. So we're gonna do refresh and chill. more stickers tucked in. And the little Krabby there. I've got staples on things. I had some here as well. That way. See, they're looking like they go together. Ooh, definitely would do it this way. They're definitely looking like they go together. And I can journal down here, which is awesome. Ooh, this one we can tuck, because there's not like any of these leaves anywhere else, so we'll just tuck that one there. Well, there you have it, you guys. I think that's it, honestly. Like, there's just so many stickers, and just the colors of the papers to me is like kind of really what's showcased here. And let's see, can we add this surfboard? Would that look stupid? I don't think so. That's kind of like what is making this what it is. It's simple, but like I said, I like all the colors of the papers, and they're really making my photos pop, and their theme is just perfect. So I just don't feel like I need anything else, and it's just a lot of color with paper. So yep, these are really relatively simple layouts, but I really like what I'm creating with them. And if I think of grabbing anything else from my stash, I will, but right now, like, this is my vibe I'm getting, and I'm really liking it. So I got some journaling now, so I'll have these two layouts next to each other in the album. They definitely go together. I've got the journaling about it, and they kind of mirror each other in that aspect, and all the fun creatures with my kiddo. So I like it. I like it lots. So let me get some washi down on these staples really quick. So it's all cohesive. These are all gonna be in a page together, or in the book together, one right after another. So having them all be with the same collection, I enjoy. I really like that. So yeah, and I used up 2 sheets of these stickers over the last few weeks, so that made me happy too. So there you have it. There's this last layout for this Carta collection. We've got one more Friday left this month, and we'll get another layout done and use our freestyle pen, and I will see you then. Till then, you guys, keep on crafting, all right? We'll see you then.